Now, Surety-based lawyer Joshua Okello has intensified his campaign to contest the sanctions imposed on the Speaker of Parliament, Anita Mong, by the United Kingdom. First, with the High Court Civil Division in Kampala's delay and in scheduling his case, Okello has taken his grievance to the European Court of Human Rights in Strasbourg, France.
Initially, Okello sought redress through the High Court Division in Kampala, challenging the disciplinary measures levied against Speaker Anita Mong by the United Kingdom.
When I filed the case there, the next stage that court was supposed to take was to fix a hearing, because usually when a civil matter is being filed, the first procedure, of course, is filing your complaint or your suit rather. Then the next procedure is the hearing date to be fixed. But to my surprise, when I did that, no hearing date was being fixed.
Despite his persistent efforts, the case encountered constant deferrals, compelling him to seek recourse in international legal platforms.
I kept on making inquiries. I kept on contacting the judicial officers at High Court Civil Division Kampala, asking them or telling them to give me the current status quo of that particular case. But unfortunately, goalposts were kept on being changed, whereby I looked at these as something that I cannot really, something that I cannot wait, despite the fact that the situation had run out of hand.
This strategic pivot to engage the European Court of Human Rights marks a significant shift in Okello's legal approach, utilizing global human rights doctrines to counter what he deems an infringement by foreign entities.
As a Speaker of Parliament of Uganda, she's meant to chair meetings there, she's meant to chair debates, even the bills that are being enacted in the Parliament of the Republic of Uganda, she's the one who's meant to spearhead. So if you're to look at a situation whereby she's stressed psychologically, she's having a psychological distress, so at the end of the day, she will eventually not manage to chair all those meetings or to pass any law which favors the Ugandans at large.
Mong, who has been fascinated by these sanctions, finds her rights and the sovereignty of her nation at stake. Okello contends that the sanctions are not only unjust, but also detrimental.
I was against the sanctions that were imposed on her by the United Kingdom government, because when I analyzed everything, it appeared to be something illegal. It appeared to be a matter that was taken on a personal basis, despite the fact that Honorable Anita Mong was against homosexuality, which is being promoted by most of the European countries, as we are very well aware of that.
The UK imposed sanctions on Speaker Anita Mong over corruption allegations have ignited a firestorm of controversy and sparked discussions both within Uganda and on the global stage. Marion Awori and Joseph Okow for UBC.